Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my best top 5 webcam video review. Number 1. MOS Tuyo Wi-Fi Indoor Pan/Tilt Smart Security Camera. The MOS Tuyo Wi-Fi Indoor Pan/Tilt Smart Security Camera offers complete home monitoring with smooth 360 degrees coverage. Featuring HD video quality, real-time motion detection, and two-way audio, it allows you to see, hear, and speak through the camera anytime. Remote access via mobile app makes it easy to monitor your home, kids, or pets from anywhere. With night vision and smart alerts, this camera delivers reliable indoor security day and night. Number 2. Webcam 4K Web Camera 1080p. The Webcam 4K Web Camera 1080p delivers crystal clear video for streaming, video calls, online classes, and content creation. Designed with advanced image processing, it provides sharp visuals, natural colors, and smooth frame rates. Built-in microphone ensures clear audio capture, while plug-and-play USB connectivity makes setup quick and easy. Perfect for professional meetings. Number 3. Ugreen 4K FHD 1080p Webcam. The Ugreen 4K FHD 1080p webcam is engineered for premium video quality and professional performance. It captures ultra-clear images with accurate color reproduction and enhanced low-light performance. Number 4. Nurum V11 High Quality 1080p. The Nurum V11 High Quality 1080p camera delivers smooth, high-definition video for meetings, teaching, and streaming. With intelligent light correction and wide-angle viewing, it ensures you always look clear and professional on screen. The built-in microphone captures clean audio, reducing background noise. It's compact. Number 5. IMX179 HD USB Camera 8MP. The IMX179 HD USB Camera 8MP provides powerful imaging performance with high-resolution clarity. Built with an advanced 8MP sensor, it delivers sharp details and vibrant colors for video recording.